Hi everyone, it's been so long since I last shared a video, talking video with you, and there's so much things going on. I want to talk with you. As you can see, I reached 200,000 subscribers. Thank you all for always supporting me, being with me, watching my videos, and sometimes sharing them and writing comments. You are making a lot of things for me, and thank you for all of this. I really like these times of a year. I really love the December month because I was born in this month, and my father was, my mother was, and my sister is just born in the beginning of the January. And for my family, this month is just celebrating month because there's New Year too, and my husband is so near too now. And when I was a child, it was just giving gifts, taking gifts, giving gifts, taking gifts, and it was so beautiful. And everything is changed right now. We are not celebrating birthdays because we are too old for this, I think. But I still love to be in December, and that's the end of a year. 2020 was so hard. I hope 2021 will be better year. And there is this pandemic, as you know. My husband was COVID positive. I shared this from Instagram, I think, and he's good right now. Actually, his quarantine was over. My quarantine is not over, but he's outside right now. That's an ugly fact, I think. He was good, and we are not affected with my daughter and me, and even our cats. We are all fine, so don't worry about us. I'm trying to finish some cardigan, sweater, jumper, kind of big things. I hope I could finish them soon, and I think I will share them one by one in almost same period. New Year and Christmas is coming. We are not celebrating Christmas in Turkey, but we are celebrating the New Year, and it has something from Christmas too, like pine trees and red hats. I don't know where are you from, and I don't know what are you celebrating. Are you celebrating or not? For me, it's a good time for a beautiful wishes. I wish you all a happy New Year. I wish we are get through this disease, and we will all feel safe again. I know most of you will not celebrate this New Year with your families because of this pandemic, but we have a big community here, and we are all together. Don't forget this, okay? I'm with you, you are with me, and we are not alone. And we will be together in the New Year. I love you all, and I want to make this silly joke. See you 1 year later. Love you. Bye.